All right. Today I'm doing a video on repairing and replacing the laptop screen of the Lenevo Ideapad 110, as you can see right here. And we will start off by removing this black bezel, and it's pretty simple. You gotta pop it off with a tool. Just gotta get in there real quick like this. And you hear the pop, and you just go around until you get it all off. Just be careful not to break the tabs by pulling it off too hard. And I almost got the thing off. Just gonna have to be careful with these hinges. Just gotta push this all the way down. And this has magnets on it, so if you keep bringing it back, it will start sticking. Or you just gotta pick this up and pull these hooks off. Once you get it all off, as you can see, that happened again. There are 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are going to remove those with a standard screwdriver. I have one that's magnetic, and you want to use a magnetic on a small screwdriver like this so that you can remove it. And we'll it's very simple, just 4 screws. Lay them aside. Okay, I've got all 4 screws off, and it's just a very simple taking one of your tools to lift it off very carefully. You lift it and grab it, and then you want to just lay it down on the screen very carefully, on the keyboard, the screen on the keyboard. And you'll see right here that there is a piece of tape that is securing it. And a lot of times this will come loose, and that could be your problem, but in this case we're going to be replacing the whole thing. And you gotta take this and you gotta just wiggle it out. Simple. Okay, and we have the new one inside this box that we got from Laptop Screen. They ship really nice inside these. It's very well padded. I'm just gonna check it to make sure that it's in good condition. The box was not creased or anything. There was no damage to the box. And I'm pretty sure this screen itself is, in good condition. I don't see any kind of cracks or anything. So this will be the bottom right here. So you're going to lay it again very gently on the keyboard. We're going to take this connector and we're going to just reverse what we did. We're going to connect the connector right here. You want to make sure that you push it all the way in. It's not all the way in right now because it keeps coming out. So once you hear the click on both sides, you know it's all the way in. And we're going to take this piece of tape and we're going to secure it really well. If you want to, you can actually get another piece of tape, because over time this tape is going to get unsticky and you're going to need a new tape. What we're going to do is just take this piece of tape and you're just going to take this piece of tape, cut it into a smaller piece. We're just going to take this and put it on top right here so that it doesn't move at all, because a lot of times the connection problem is with this specifically if you have it too far off. We're going to basically just take it and push this little wire into the grooves so that way it doesn't move. We're going to line this up with all the screw holes, lean it a little bit like this, and as you can see, the screen protector is still on there. You don't want to scratch up anything while you're doing an install. And you're going to take this and you're going to use your magnetic screwdriver, because if you lose any of these screws, they're very hard to find. And it's going to screw all of them on. Before you screw all of them all the way, I recommend you turning on the machine. And as you can see, it turned on and it works. And you want to just very carefully put everything back on. And if you don't have it lined up like I did, it's not going to get screwed in there. In the meantime, we're going to just turn it off, because I don't want to ruin anything. And as it shuts off, you just continue. And I'm putting in the last screw on top right here. You just want to make sure that they're nice and snug in there. You don't have to over tighten them, or you'll just strip it. Just check every one of them that they're good. And we're gonna put the plastic bezel on. Again, it has a magnet right here that lines up with this. Before you put it on, you want to be able to remove the screen protector. Or at least move it to the side before you put it on, so that way you know, it just doesn't get in the way. If you want to remove it later, let the customer take it off. But in this case, we'll just remove it completely ourselves. And we'll just lay it to the side. We're going to start lifting this, because the hinges have to go on a special way. You just basically pull it back like this, and you push it in there. Have the correct angle. And these hinges are a little bit tricky, but you just want to push them over. You lay down, and you push, and they lock in. You want to start off with the bottom. And as you hear the clicks, you know that it's coming in there real good. And you want to take your finger and go like this along the edge. Don't try not to press too hard. And when you hear it clicks, it means you know you got it in there. You're gonna have a little bit of trouble sometimes with these. Some won't click until others come in place. Like you're gonna have to just keep going back and forth. And then the bottom is gonna be the hardest one for you to get to click, because it doesn't want to sometimes. But you just roll your hand along the edge. Sometimes it helps just to put it down. And you hear that click, you know it's in. And it's in. And there you have it. You just do a quick test, press the power button, turns on, and there you have a new screen repair replacement.